yay! Today we're out with us in Yorkshire in Leicester.
What's going on, guys?
And we're at Leicester Train Station.
We're going to go in, we're going to do our thing, we're going to check it out. Remember what happened when we went to Coventry, don't you guys?
Oh, Coventry.
Got destroyed.
Matt Lucas got destroyed.
He did.
Yeah.
He got terminated. We were just saying when, no, it's closed. During reconstruction.
Ah, so
they've moved to East Street.
Thought they might have done. That's the car park that we were going to go to before. That one.
Yeah.
The car park that we were going to go to before, so they'd have to, if staff do get on, they'd have to come from East Street to here. It's platform level. It's quite a big station, Leicester. Retail, we've got shops in here, taxi rank, photo booth. There you go. Leicester Concourse. Right. So I'm going to have a little walk in, I think. See what we can see in here. The ticket office. East Midlands Railway.
Yeah, I'm sorry, that's the 1547 East Midlands Railway service.
Oh, look at him. Kev, come and have a look at this.
What is it?
No idea what he is. See their mascot? Looks like a mascot. Got upper crust over there. Pumpkin. Cafe shop, a couple of cafes in here. Got WH Smith as well in the station at Leicester. Intercity standard seats.
Standard seats.
It's pretty cool.
Has it actually got a charger on it as well?
Yeah, I don't actually know because it did charge for a second and now it's not.
Ah, so it's not, it doesn't always work then.
That's
Very typical.
Shame it don't work.
Yeah, it is a shame. Have they got barriers here? So we might have to get a platform ticket. So let's have a little walk into the travel centre. Auditing Yorkshire's just gone in.
No, I've got it all wrong. One of these bus stations was Birmingham.
Birmingham New Street.
Birmingham New Street, that's one. Absolutely hated it.
Leicester to Oakland. Next one is it 412.
Penalty fares information. One rail card, 1/3 off rail fares.
Penalty fares.
Ooh.
What is that if you go out and
Getting
try
bugged out.
ticket dodging?
Yeah, if you don't pay for your ticket, you try and get on the train. Got what, BTP's in here?
BTP, yeah.
Let's see where they're going now.
Yeah. Where are you going to?
How you doing, mate?
Oh, you're right.
So I just checked the BTP office outside. It says it's closed for refurbishments at the minute.
No, so what there's been a few changes. So this one's been closed, so there's an office elsewhere.
Ah, right. So it's East Street, isn't it?
Yes.
So are you based in another building with that shared building, is it?
Yes, shared office.
Right, got you. Thanks, mate.
No problem.
Oh, what's happening?
Unfortunately, in public there's no expectation.
Turn your camera off, please.
No.
Turn the camera off.
You're in public.
I'm at work. I'm in a secure area.
It's not secure.
It's not a secure area, it's a public area.
Can you take your camera off me, please?
No.
You need to take your camera off me. I don't want to be recorded.
You don't have a choice.
I do have a choice.
I don't get why your rail staff are so touchy about cameras.
No,
Are you buying a ticket?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to get a platform ticket if that's possible.
Alright, that's fine, yeah.
Do you do platform tickets then?
We don't sell them anymore, no.
You don't sell platform tickets anymore. Okay, that's all you need to say.
Sell platform tickets at Leeds still.
Yep, at least the Northern still do
Anywhere
that.
else what does. Anyway, that lady in there's going to go look online and look at the guidance. I did inform her of the
There we go.
Network Rail guidance and stuff. So
Have you all say on plans? So they got plans for Leicester Rail Station, as you can see. Pick it back up, guys.
he's just wandering around like a lost sausage.
Yeah, I just spoke to him then. Oh,
Huh? What did he say to you?
that's strange. Why is he doing that? I just asked him. So they're having a bit of restructuring. They said it's actually it is a permanent move.
Oh, it's a
Don't record us though.
it's permanent.
They might be able to. We've got a train.
Got to change your battery. Right, I'll pick this back up then. This guy seems like the sort to let us on the platform.
Is he Irish? He sounds
Yeah, he sounds Irish, doesn't he?
Whereabouts? Where's he come from in Ireland?
Tipperary. Oh, I know a couple of people from Tipperary.
Is it Southern Ireland? Is it Southern Ireland you're from?
Yeah.
Southern?
Tipperary.
Yeah, Tipperary, yeah.
Oh, we're going there.
What's that song? It's a long road to Tipperary. That one.
It is. Twice as long coming back.
Yeah.
You're going to Dublin next week.
Yeah, we've got Dublin next week, yeah.
Yeah, week today actually.
Take loads of money.
Is it expensive in Dublin?
God, yeah.
Well,
Especially if you like a drink or that. Yes, it is.
well, we're still planning on having a drink, yeah.
Now, you'll hear a Temple Bar. Yes, that's expensive, very expensive. But kind of when you come out with that area, it does get a bit cheaper, and there are some very good pubs.
There we go. So it's best to avoid Temple Bar then.
Some very good pubs. The Temple Bar is a bit expensive, yeah.
We know that now for the
You
trip.
guys went for EMR.
Yeah.
East Midlands.
Well, you're a lot better than Avanti West Coast who we met at Birmingham. They were ex-snowflakes then.
What are you doing out?
Yeah,
What are you doing?
Just told me, but obviously
Doing-
not bothered in the slightest, have it?
No, not actually,
No, it's just
Not at all. Not at all. Well, I'm used to see
Get his
Hollywood.
good side, which is usually that bit there.
Yeah. Yeah, no, you enjoy
I
that.
might have to get a coffee when we leave here, you know, from my stand.
yeah, they got a couple there. Haven't they?
Coffee. So, what are your policies? Are you allowed to let us in if we don't
No, that would have to be through the supervisor.
Right.
Anything to be done on platforms and that. Yeah. So,
Yeah, so basically, we just wanted to get onto the platform real quick, take a few pictures, then come back out. We're not getting on the train.
right, okay, what are the pictures for?
Just for like Instagram,
You like
for
train
train spotting, that sort of thing.
Stuff like that.
Right, let me just... Jenny,
We just put them on Instagram and stuff like that.
they want to take photographs for train spotting, for instance. That's all right.
Yeah, we're not
Okay.
bored. We're not bored.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that we can live with that. Right,
I can show you my Instagram if you don't believe me.
No,
I've got
because we get people coming down all the time.
multiple train stations on there.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. There we are.
Yeah.
Do you know the best part about it, right? We get paid for it, so
Well, there you go.
it's kind
all
of
right.
like
Well,
an up and a down. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, thanks very much.
Cheers, thank you. Sorry.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
It's about 5 minutes.
See? Okay, I'm going to get back on the... Going now. Got headed out to the platforms with orders in Yorkshire. They've let us through. I'll be on the GoPro. They got some nice trains at East Midlands, got to say. City ones. Oh, this one's going, look. I'll get a photo of it as it goes. Oh. No flash. This is it. It's started to rain as well. Great. It's started to rain again as well. Brilliant.
The 1547 service to Nottingham is delayed by 5 minutes.
Yeah, Nottingham's not even that far. Making sure I got this one.
That's King of Kings train,
It is, I think. Yeah. That's a good train, that is. Oh, here it is.
just caught it coming in, guys. EMR, London St Pancras.
Behind the yellow line. Okay, it's in the bylaws. Got to stay behind the yellow line.
Who cares?
It's bylaws, isn't it?
Sausage.
It's bylaws.
It's a little muppet.
It's bylaws, Kev. You got to stay behind the yellow
I
line.
don't care, it's a sausage, mate. No one's got to feel like that. Muppet.
Yeah, it's just enforcing the bylaws, isn't it?
I don't really care. I don't care if you can't buy laws, mate. What the shit?
Behind the yellow line, isn't it? Yeah, sorry mate, behind the yellow line, innit? You alright mate? Sorry, we get off on the wrong foot, didn't we?
Get hit by a train, right? I'll tell you what it is, right? Don't ever shout at me like that again, mate. Don't ever shout at me. Don't ever shout at me like that again. Oh, you'll see.
Well, I get it, stand behind the yellow line, but don't worry. I said I get it, stand behind the yellow line. He said he's calling the police, there's no need of it.
I don't care if he calls the police, let him call the police.
There's no need of it.
Huh?
There's no need of it really. Yeah, British Transport Police here. So...
You what?
Alright boss.
Look at him straight grassing me up. He won't last long in prison, will he?
Revenue protection.
He won't last long in prison. What an
Cheers mate. Do you deal with like revenue protection? Do you deal with like penalty fares and stuff like that?
Yeah. Yeah, massive respect, guys, to what it is for me. Appreciate it.
Thanks. Thank you.
See, this one, don't you think I'm talking to you?
What's it?
So you were raising your voice downstairs, weren't you? And then you were swearing as well.
Did you swear in?
Yeah.
What swear word?
Camera, my friend. So
What swear word did he say? He didn't swear. Sausage in the swear word, is it?
So if I raise my voice, thank you very much.
Just get your side of the story.
Right, so I'll talk to you normally now, right? Basically,
Sorry, I'm listening. I'm just turning around so I can hear
it's
you.
fine. So basically, I am not aware of all the bylaws.
All right, okay.
So we're doing a vlog today before the London St
Oh, sorry.
Pancras train.
Sorry, I'll move that
I've got to be like,
right.
put the GoPro to the
And
window.
I can see what the issue is then. Right.
Well, obviously, I mean, I didn't see that as an issue.
All right, because you wouldn't know. Yeah.
But it was just the way he spoke to me.
Okay.
He spoke to me like a piece of crap on his shoulder. So all I said to him, I went and approached him. And I said, what are you talking to me like that for? And I was shouting because of the engine. Very loud.
Yeah, no, I get that.
He was shouting as well. Now, he's making lines up about me saying I've sworn when I've got the whole thing on camera.
Can you play it back?
Well, yes, but I'm not.
If it's an allegation been made,
I don't see
then...
why he should. But I've got it on this.
Well, you didn't know. You didn't know.
How you doing?
I've got it on my body.
Just to let you know I'm recording, okay?
Thank you very much.
So you didn't know the
What's your
bylaw?
collar number?
9926.
Based at Leicester, yeah?
It's really straight.
All you have to do was
Just really, mate. Obviously, there are bylaws. You explain it to me. There's something around.
No, just
health and safety. So
he
you
just spoke to me like absolutely.
understandable.
When I walked off, he went, I'm going to rest police.
That's absolutely fine. We're actually here, so
Yeah, you're here anyway, aren't you?
if that's what's happening,
Yeah, it's all happening.
then I'll have a chat with my colleagues, see what they say. Come back to the
Can I
second.
just get your number?
It's 51.
Treble 51.
And
9926.
like I said, we're doing a vlog. We do this. We've got we
Which
also
one's that? Which one's that?
Sorry.
well, we've been to Sheffield, we've been to Coventry, we've been to Leeds, we've been all over the place.
Birmingham as well.
Birmingham as well.
Yeah.
Did you see me down there?
I've seen videos before, yeah.
Well, you might have seen mine. Mine's got like nearly 50k on YouTube now.
Oh, you mean you saw
TGA.
my?
You've not seen mine?
You saw my YouTube video?
Yeah.
No, you've seen this video.
I've got something else sitting there.
Yeah, did you see how them people in office were reacting with that?
I've only seen bits of it, so not the full thing.
Okay, let me just explain to my colleague what you've
So
told
you
me
were
and
laughing
then
your head off,
we'll come back
weren't
and say.
Yeah, no problem.
There you go, we've got to watch it, guys. Another British Transport Police.
BTP watches it watching us again.
Another
Yeah.
British Transport Police constable watches the footage.
Well, the last one saw me, Annie. So
Yeah, I mean, obviously, I'm not raising my voice. I mean, I do have a tendency to shout anyway because I'm a little bit mutton, but I am doing my best to sort of keep my voice down because I don't want anyone.
Sorry, we're happy for you to carry on and do what you want to do. Just so you know, there are bylaws. Just look after your health and safety. Just stay away from the train when the whistle blows, be on the yellow line. The last thing we want to do is an accident happen. So just keep an eye on that. And just be conscious that they're trying to do their job and just give them a bit of room for work.
Well, the thing is, it's like obviously you know what we do. We go around educating.
Who went to see the is it Yorkshire cop with a horse? Who's that? Because that was actually was that?
Yeah, we went to the horses.
Yeah, because what's his name? I can't remember the officer's name, but you went and he showed you the horse around and stuff.
Yeah, he did.
That's the only one I've seen.
See, so you know we're good guys, don't you? You know we're not out to
I'm happy for you to record. What I will say is just reiterate some of the bylaws that we've already explained. Just look after your safety, look after your welfare. Try not to just get in some of people's personal spaces, as you appreciate some people might not like it. We'd hate for someone to react and return, etc., and cause problems. So just when the whistle blows, just leave them or allow them to land. I'm just saying, just so everyone.
No, it's alright, but do you know what, right? Sometimes I get a little bit hot-headed, and sometimes, you know, when I start, like, I began to walk away from that work when it first I could feel myself getting frustrated inside.
You've done the right thing coming up here with I'm happy to leave it like that.
I don't like leaving things like that. It just does me head in.
I'm not going to cut this short. I have to get on a train, so
it's alright, we're going.
That's right, it's fine. Well, have a good day anyway. My train's going to leave in less than a minute.
Right, go get it.
Alright, if you're back again, you're welcome to come back. No issues. Just like I said.
No problem. I appreciate that.
All right.
You're going to be policing on the train here?
Yeah, going to be heading policing on the train.
And then do you get it off anywhere? Because I imagine you cover all of Leicestershire, wouldn't you?
We tend to cover most of the country, depending on where.
Really? Because I know there's specific BTP units that cover.
Yeah, they cover different parts of
different counties there. Oh, cool.
All right.
Yeah, that's good. Thanks.
Cheers. Take care.
And you. Quickly, don't want to miss it, do you? See you later, man. Take care, guys. If you're not already subscribed to TGA, the Gwent Auditor.
We're knocking about together, so we're like Merton bricks out of Leeds. We're just moving together, you know what I mean?
Alright, have a good
right,
day.
top man.
And you, cheers, man. There we are.
So once again, guys, a little snowflake of a snowflake and shut down. But this time it wasn't. The police were absolutely amazing, fantastic.
Brilliant. You can't complain about BTP though, can you, most of the time? Apart from Matt Lucas.
Apart from Matt Lucas, BTP Leicester have been absolutely great. The other snivelling little snowflake, he got shut down. He's probably run upstairs for some quiet time. He probably needs to sit down for 20 minutes to, for his heart to stop racing, to calm down, because I shouted at him and he felt the rest of him distressed.
Oh, they're probably bylaw 6, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bylaw 6.
Whatever bylaw I broke by going over yellow line. And I do apologise to my viewers, and I've apologised to obviously the police as well, because I wasn't aware of that bylaw. I blame Brainbox here, he should have told me.
I should have told you before.
He knows everything. But yeah, it's been a good video, guys, so I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to get myself a coffee. And then we're going to move on to the next location. If you enjoyed it, guys, you know what to do as always. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.
So yeah, that's all from me, TGA. Make sure to check out Auditing Yorkshire. As always, give him a subscribe. And this has been Leicester Train Station. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And we'll see you all in the next one. TGA out.